Hello, everyone. I'm back. And I am a little excited about this because I've got a beautiful passage for you on communism. Communism is one topic that keeps popping up everywhere in RCs, whether it's connected with political philosophy or it's connected with geographic philosophy or anything. So, communism is what? Communism is a form of government. Communism says we don't want a central government, no power in the center. हटा दो पूरे power को, right? And communism says the power should be in the hands of the communities. Communities का फायदा होना चाहिए. And ऐसा है उनका, ठीक है, viewpoint. But the thing is, it doesn't always succeed. So communism, socialism, Marxism, capitalism, ये isms वाले ना, these should be like definitely read. These are very important topics for reading. आप कर लो इनको. और हाँ, एक और चीज, इस पैसेज में only 3 questions आते हैं. There was a 4th question but I did not like it much, so मैंने उसको उखाड़ दिया. 3 मुझे बहुत सही लगे. We are going to do 3 questions. Doesn't matter हम 3 करें या 4 करें. The objective of the session is, जैसा मैंने आपको दिखाया, ये होता है. ठीक है, तो 4 के बदले 3 ही करेंगे, but that's fine. चलो. So what does the passage say? एक बार quick, like just a glance at the passage. Americans are increasingly casting communism as a preferred alternative. Americans casting communism preferred alternative to a capitalist society. अब capitalism क्या है, communism क्या है, पहले से अगर पता है आपको थोड़ा बहुत, it will be very easy for you to understand. So okay, generational lines, बहुत सारा डेटा दिख रहा है मुझे तो इसमें, वो भरा हुआ है डेटा से. अच्छा, industrial revolution, Marx and all. Okay, this is going to be pretty neat. ओके, दास कैपिटल, ऑल राइट, वही पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफी से रिलेटेड है. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चंस अभी वापस जाके रीड करेंगे, टेंशन ना लो आप. व्हाई डिड रशिया अलाउ दास कैपिटल टू गेट पब्लिश्ड? Specific, right? Inference. This is going to be damn cool. Then what can be inferred about the industrial revolution? Industrial revolution is given in one part. जब हम उसको देख ही रहे थे पैसेज तो नजर आया था. Inference उससे related. Okay, specific. Then why doesn't the older generation appreciate communism? Okay, older generation is mentioned somewhere. Again specific. Brilliant set of questions. Okay, और वापस चलते हैं. पैसेज भी बहुत ही छोटा सा है, बहुत छोटा नहीं लेकिन ठीक है, चलो बहुत क्यूट सा है, सो समझ में भी आ जाएगा. Americans are increasingly casting communism as a preferred alternative to capitalist. Capitalism is considered bad by many communities because it makes the rich grow richer and the poor grow poorer. It increases the gap basically between the rich and the poor. Profit सारा आता है that goes to the selected few of the community. Capitalism is seen by younger generations as responsible for perpetuating economic inequality, racial hierarchy. ये younger generation ये देख रहा है, ठीक है. This gives me a thought. Question था ना older generation से related. Okay, so in the passage he's talking about perceptions of the younger generation and the older generation. Recent polls show that nearly 30% of Gen Z, आपका Gen, ages 16 to 23, hold a favorable opinion of communism. उनको communism चाहिए. Meaning तो पता होगा नहीं आप लोगों को generally communism का, लेकिन communism चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि capitalism जो है villain है. पहले मीनिंग्स तो देख लो, क्लियर समझ तो लो क्या है. Meanwhile, support for capitalism continues to plummet, go down among millennials. Millennials Gen Z के पहले हैं, उनमें भी support for capitalism goes down. Right? Those opinions, however, split dramatically along generational lines. So he has given boomers, silent generation, this okay, experiences during this period, okay. So you know, ye older generation connected here. This is the benefit that you get if you sneak peek at the questions once. I know that it's connected to this here. 75 to 93 age, obviously older generation वही है ना. Correct? To them, communism was a failed experiment, not a forward-looking solution. Then, in the mid-1800s, Western Europe was experiencing turbulent, okay, social changes, industrial revolution. Connected to this, there's a question. आएंगे यहाँ पे. But not everyone benefited equally. Even the industrial revolution led to some inequality. Rise of this, surge of new jobs, okay. During the industrial revolution, small subset, mat padho itne details because there is a question, I'm going to come back for that. Then 2 marks, what happened? Transition towards this future was more than just likely. It was inevitable. Marx ने बोला ये तो inevitable होना ही था. In his writings, he described a future in which the world would eventually have no need for economic classes, money, or even nations. Marx कौन था? Marx was somebody who advocated socialism. तो उसके लिए like society, caste, tiers, layers, hierarchy सब हट जाना चाहिए. Right? So he said this future. Which future? Here. Which future? Most people lived in overcrowded and unsanitary neighborhoods. Extraordinarily wealthy, majority low, okay. Transition to this future, more than just likely, it was inevitable, होना ही है ये, इसने ये बोला. World would eventually have no need for economic classes, money or even nations. He gives another future का, ठीक है? Then the last bit. Recognizing the incendiary nature of these ideas, आग लगाओ, भड़काओ, instigative nature of these ideas, authorities in Brussels, Belgium का capital, Cologne and Paris, expelled the German philosopher from their cities. Marx की ही बात कर रहे होंगे. Meanwhile, in Russia, imperial censors permitted the publication. There's a question connected with this. Why did they allow the publication? Russian, obviously reason is here. Correct? Russian officials considered the book to be too dense to cause much of a stir. To their surprise, copies of the book flew off the shelves like hotcakes. Marx's Capital, Das Kapital, would later inspire the world's first communist revolution. ये दूसरी book थी. पहले उसकी थी Das Kapital and then he came up with this. Later, inspire the world's first communist revolution. तो वो इतना inspiring हो गया लोगों के लिए. रशिया ने सोचा it's too dense to cause a stir. जाने दो publish कर दो, क्या ही फर्क पड़ रहा है. I'll go over to this first. बहुत interesting है. Why did Russia allow Das Kapital to get published? They thought it would have little effect on people and wouldn't disrupt the status quo as it was intricate and potentially difficult to understand. सही लग रहा है. They thought it was difficult to interpret, ठीक है, and would be an insult to communist ideologies. The second part is wrong. The first part is correct. They thought it wasn't worthy of censorship as it was written in unfathomable language. Correct. It wasn't worthy of censorship. Okay, I'll keep this. They thought it was too weak to instigate people and lead to a revolution. Why did Russia allow this to get published? Why? They thought it was too weak to instigate people. Too weak सोचा था उन्होंने? No, not too weak. They thought it was too dense. Too dense means obscure language. Difficult to understand language, so people would read those books. कुछ समझ में तो आएगा नहीं, छोड़ो जाने दो यार, light लो इसको, publish हो जाने दो. It would not cause a revolution, right? This is what they thought. So too weak, out. It's between A and C. They thought it wasn't worthy of censorship as it was written in unfathomable language. Unfathomable is a different type of word. ये देखो यहाँ. Intricate is better connected with that paragraph. Unfathomable is like, fathomable is something that you can deep dive and understand. Unfathomable आप समझ नहीं पाएंगे, ठीक है, but obscurity इसमें आ रहा है. Worthy of censorship, it wasn't worthy of censorship, नहीं. उसने ये सोचा it would have little effect, लोगों को भड़काएगा नहीं. ये book जो ना, it would not cause a revolution among the people. It wouldn't disrupt the status quo. जैसा है वैसा चलेगा. So this is your answer based on the last two lines. Then, Industrial Revolution. What can be inferred? I'll go back. So we are looking for 1 true, 3 F. Right guys? चलिए इसको चल के देखते हैं अभी. Something called the Industrial Revolution. Western Europe was experiencing turbulent economic and social changes brought about by innovation called this. Two things we can understand. Turbulent period tha and innovation leke aaya. In cities like this, the rise of factory manufacturing produced a surge. Employment bhi diya, economic growth bhi diya. But chasm bhi leke aaya between the rich and the poor. CHASM. The gap increased. ड्यूरिंग दिस सबसेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन बहुत अमीर हो गया, however majority low wages. Okay, clear? This is enough. Now over to the question. It enhanced people's creativity and gave them jobs. Innovation, employability कह रही हूँ, employment, yes, दोनों दिया है, true. Correct? What can be inferred? So we are looking for 1 true and 3 F. Correct? Now, it enhanced people's creativity and gave them jobs. Innovation बोला तो है इसने, है ना? यहाँ जाके देखो आप. Surge in new jobs. Okay, groundbreaking innovation called the Industrial Revolution. Now, if you do not write this thing down on your rough sheet, you're likely to get misled by the language there. आप ध्यान ही नहीं दोगे, आप बोलोगे हाँ हाँ सही तो बोला है, innovation. Tell me one thing, if there is a period of innovation, okay, that means because of machines, because of industrial revolution, because of industries, innovation is happening. Does it mean that it's enhancing people's creativity? No, right? Jobs to hai, correct. So this is true actually, and this is a trap. Get it? Then some European cities had never before experienced the growth that was brought about by the Industrial Revolution. Never. आपको देख के लगेगा this is extreme. Never before का क्या मतलब होता है? Unprecedented. Go back and see if it's given there. ये देख रहे हो? Unprecedented economic growth. Surge in new jobs as well as unprecedented. आज से पहले उन cities को ऐसा growth नहीं मिला था. Never before experienced the growth that was brought about this. This is true. Rephrasing इसको कहते हैं. It promoted inequality which triggered people. Inequality तक तो ठीक है. Triggered people to save money by living in overcrowded. Is it given there? Triggered inequality, promoted inequality is correct. Triggered people to save money. Did they save money? है ऐसा दिया हुआ. This is all external knowledge. By living in overcrowded. They started living in overcrowded because they wanted to save money. Look here. Outside of the factory, most people lived in overcrowded and unsanitary neighborhoods. Were they trying to save money? No, they had low wages. They were not trying to save money. And यहाँ पे जो ये दिया है ना, promoted inequality, this is fine. This triggered people to save money by living. I'm going to live in overcrowded because I'm trying to save money. This is all external knowledge. ऐसा नहीं दिया वहाँ. So this is eliminated. It made Western Europe the most advanced region by pumping economic growth and employment. Most, is it given there? Extreme, go back and check. Western Europe the most developed, the most economic growth wala. Is it given? No, it's not. So that itself is extreme. Correct? So, kahan gaya ye? Haan. The most advanced? Definitely not. It's eliminated. So the only one that we can infer from here is this, because of unprecedented, never before experienced, right? So this is true. Okay? Option B. Question 3. Why doesn't the older generation appreciate communism? Older generation. Go back to that portion now. यहाँ क्या बोला है? Just 6% of baby boomers this, and only 3% view communism favorably. Both these groups. This and this. Why? This likely track back to many older Americans' experiences of the Cold War. Ideology wala war jo tha. During this period, former Soviet Union, existential threat to US security, others who lived directly in countries, painful experiences, okay to them. Communism was a failed experience and not a forward-looking solution. Done. Now you go back and start eliminating. So, they felt it was responsible for the onset of the Cold War and people's misery. People's misery, yes. Onset, did it start the Cold War? Communism, bola hai udhar? Nahi bola hai. This is out. We are looking for one true. Right? Communism failed across the world and people were subjected to penury and political subjugation. I'll keep this. Okay. Failed experiment, bola hai. The US couldn't prosper much under this form of government and hence it did not alleviate poverty and repression. Do you see this? Why didn't they appreciate communism? Because they could connect with the pain. So the US couldn't prosper much and hence it did not alleviate this. Hence, dekh rahe ho aap ye hence, cause and effect. US did not prosper, so it did not alleviate something something ऐसा. Others who live directly in countries like Cambodia, Cuba, Soviet Union. Okay, so Soviet Union, US security and prosperity. So does it say here that US क्योंकि वो नहीं prosper कर पाया, it did not alleviate this? No, this is out, it's wordplay. Now option D, they connected communism with unfavorable instances, correct, from the past, correct, and felt it had been responsible for their poverty and subjugation. Subjugation means dab karke rehna. It's given there, right? So D is good. Between this and this, communism failed across the world, right? Communism failed across the world. में आप जाके देखो यहाँ. It says this likely track back to many older Americans during this period. So Soviet Union, US mentioned है, Cambodia, Cuba, Soviet Union ये सब mentioned है. How do we know across the world? Correct. So ये जो आपका option कौन सा ये? B. That is kind of being like hasty generalization वाला हो रहा है. So D is your answer. Got it, guys? I hope these were clear. A, B, and D. All three questions were pretty good. So this set was good. अगर वो चौथा question भी मैं देती, you would have seen. ये ना थोड़ा सा like dicey, tricky. कोई बात नहीं. Test में वो चौथा question अगर है भी तो you can just leave that question and move out. Hope it's all clear. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you again.